Inna a'tainaka alkawthar. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
He is the one, the first and last, the supreme, the especially merciful Ar-Rahim, the pure and holy. He is so kind. Keep in mind Al-Latif. He heals your pain. He's As-Salam, the perfect peace. We turn to him in joy and grief. Only he can grant relief. He is the answerer, Al-Mujib, the owner of lordship, the only king, the owner of worship, so worship him. He has no partner, so no child. He is the greatest, so no wow. You listen, he hears clearer, and what you see, he sees clearer, closer than your vein or even nearer, not contained or constrained by his creation, above his throne in a majestic manner befitting his majesty, beyond comprehension. Need to mention he's the only one who can relieve tension. In his mention the hearts find rest, the most loving, no less than perfection. He never rested, never slept, most magnificent. I suggest you confess to none but he, for to associate partners is the gravest sin, and his punishment is severe, so return to him. He's the forgiver if you turn and repent. He is forgiving perpetually, the most powerful protecting provider, fate decider, the just judge, the sole legislator. Witness, he's the witness, the most forbearing. For him hearts flutter, tongues stutter, heads bow in prostration and tears stream. Lord of all nations of creation, the most appreciative, the most high, the almighty, the best sight to see but never can be truly encompassed by creation. The most beautiful, the most wise. He is the truth, so no lies. Not born, nor is any born from he. No power but he. When he wants something, just says be, and it is. He's ever living, self-sustaining, all aware, all knowing. So supreme. The rich, the able, the eternal, on all which rely. The best protecting friend for you and I. He is the guide. He fashioned mankind, guided the blind, and gave you life. He is the generous, so isn't it time our hearts softened and surrendered to the Lord of all splendor, and we listened and obeyed, and I am just a poor slave, so save the praise for the one that made. He is Allah.